Hello, my dear children. Today I am going to do a model paper, not the usual gender paper class, because I have included all the things that I have done during the whole year. So the third term works are here. So this is a model paper. So we are going to do this one. Today you don't have a Google Form paper after finish the session. Instead of that, I am going to submit you the Google Form paper on Monday. Monday around 5 p.m. I will submit the Google Form paper. Today I couldn't arrange it because I was little bit busy these days due to start of the schools and all. So then I will submit it next Monday, right? Okay, then we'll start. First part, and this consists of two parts, part 1 and part 2, right? Part 1 consists of 20 questions and the part 2 consists of 5 questions, right? We are going to answer all the questions. So we'll start to find the value of first question. Find the value of 0 divided by minus 100. So any number, if you divide the 0 by any number, you are getting the answer 0. Next one, minus 36 divided by minus 2 into minus 6. Minus 36 divided by minus time minus plus 2 times 6, 12. 36 divided by 12. So first look at this sign, minus divide by plus. That is minus. Plus divide by plus. Plus minus divide by minus. That is also plus. Minus divide by plus. Minus. Plus divide by minus. Then also minus. So, two instances, when the same signs are divided, you are getting positive value. Different signs divide, you are getting negative value. Then minus 36 divided by 12, that is minus 3. Answer is minus 3. Next question, what is the smallest number in which all 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are factors, right? Then indirectly they are asking LCM, least common multiple. So what is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4. First divide by smallest number here, 2. Then 1, 3, 2. Again divide by smallest number, 2. 1, 3, 1. Divide by 3, 1, 1, 1. So, what is here? What is the number? That is 12. So, you can write 2 into 2 into 3. 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. Common term of number pattern is 2n minus 1, right? First two terms of the pattern. 2n minus 1. First two terms, n1. So you can write 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 2n minus 1, 2 times 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is 3. 1, 3. 1 and 3. Next question. Question number 5. In the figure DBC, so this is 30, ABC, this is 90. Find the complement of DBC angle. It means this angle's complement. You already know this whole thing. This means ABC angle is 90. So ABD angle plus DBC angle equals 90. ABD angle 90 minus 30. ABD angle is 60. Then complement of ABD angle is 60. Right. We'll go to the next question. Question number 6. Cost of a book is 4 times a pen. If the cost of pen is X rupees, write an algebraic expressions for the total cost of 2 books and 2 pens. Simplify the expressions that you have written. Yeah, cost of book is 4 times a pen. Then price of a pen equal X rupees. Then 4 pens equals 4 times 6, 4x. 1 book equal the price of 4 pens. 1 book equals then 4x. Then they are asking here, write an algebraic expression for total cost of 2 books. 1 book is 4x into 2 plus 2 pens. 1 pen is x, x times 2. Then 8x plus x times 2. How much here? X times 2, 2x. Altogether 8x and 2x, that is 10x. Then price of 2 books and 2 pens is 10x. Rupees 10x. There are 10 ton of rice is stored. 3 ton and 750 kilogram were sold from the stock. Find the amount of rice remaining in the store. Then we can write 10 ton are there. Size of the stock equals 10 ton. Then sold amount equals 3 ton and 750 kilogram remain. $50 kilogram. Then 3 ton 750. Subtract 10 subtract here, don't have borrow 1 to here. 10 subtract 0 subtract 0 0. Then here borrow 1 to here. 10 subtract 5 5. 9 subtract 7 2. And here remaining 9 9 subtract 3 6. 6 tons and 250 kilogram remaining. Here we decide kilogram, right? Then subtract the answer. Subtract from this the sold amount, then remaining is this. How many axes of bilateral symmetry are in the figure? Then how many axes can you see? This is a parallelogram. Parallelogram, are there bilateral symmetrical axes are here? No. No, that is 0. Then you can write 0. What is the order of rotational symmetry. So what can you say about this? When you are rotating, then which is one is this one. Again, if you are coming to the same position, then 2 coinciding 2 times. So we can write rotational symmetry is 2. Order of rotational symmetry is 2. Find the size of ACB in the given triangle ABC. You know, angle sum of a triangle is 180. So 62 plus 80 plus x equals 180 angle sum of a triangle. Then 2, 8 and 6, 14 plus x 180. X equals 180 minus 142. X equals 38. Next one, find the size of ACB in the given triangle ABC. ABC. Then we have done it, right? Sorry. We have to do the next one. The ratio between Sinhala families and Tamil families living in villages 8:3. Sinhala, Tamil. That is 8:3. The ratio between Tamil families and Muslim families in the village is 2:3. 2:3. Find the ratio of Sinhala families, Tamil families, and Muslim families. 8 times 2, 16. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. So what is the ratio here? 16 to 6 to 9. You can get the common ratio like this, right? 16 to 6 to 9. Simplify. 3½ divide by 1 and 3/4. What is our first step? We have to convert this to improper fractions. 2 times 3, 6 and 1, 7/2. Divide by 4 times 1, 4. 4 and 3, 7/4. 7/2. Now with the multiplication sign, write the reciprocal 4/7. Cancel out over the line and below the line. How many 2's here? 1. How many 2's here? 2. Answer is 2. Right, let's go to the next question. Question number 12. A row of length 11.25 meter was cut into pieces each of length 0.05 meter. Find the number of pieces that can be cut from the row. Right, you can convert this to centimeters, right? It means now you can multiply 11.25 into 100. That is because 1 meter there are 100 centimeters, 1125. Then now convert length of a piece. 0.05 into 100, 5 centimeter. Number of pieces. equals 1125 divided by 5. Then 11, how many 5s are there? 2. 12, how many 5s are there? 2. 25, there are 5. 225 pieces we can cut by using that row. Next question, solve the equation. 2 minus 3x over 4 equals minus 6. Now, you can take this plus 2 to other side. Minus 3x over 4 minus 6 minus 2. Minus 3x over 4 equals minus 8. Now, you can multiply both the side by 4. Right? To cancel out 4, this side multiplied by 4, this side also by 4. Cancel out over the line 4, below the line. Minus 3x equals minus 8 times 4, 32. 32. Then x equals 32 divided by minus 3. X equals minus 32, sorry, this is also minus, this is also, then plus 10 and 2 over 3, 10 and 2 over 3. Question number 14. If 40% of the salary of a person is 2,000 rupees by his monthly salary. So, 40% of the salary is 2,000. So, total salary, not we can write monthly salary. From this salary, 40%, it means 40 over 100 equals 2,000 rupees. Then how much is monthly salary? Borrow this to other side. 2,000 multiplied by 100 over 40. Cancel it. Then 50 into 100. His monthly salary is 5,000 rupees. Monthly salary 5,000 rupees. Question number 15. Write the suitable symbol in the blank. So triangle, elements of polygons. So we can write like this. Type of triangles according to the side. Find NA. Types of triangles according to the sides. There are 3 types of triangles according to the sides. Then what are they? We can write the elements. Equilateral, isosceles, then other one is scalene. Then there are 3 types of triangles. So NA equals 3. NA equals 3. Straightly we can write. Right? According to the side, all the sides are equals. So we are saying equilateral triangles. If the 2 sides of the triangles equals, we are saying isosceles. If all the sides are unequal, so we are saying scalene triangles. So there are 3. So NA equals 3. Now if someone is there, he or she doesn't know about this. Now I have explained him or her. Then it's okay, only this answer is sufficient for this. No need to write this. Next one, question number 16. Chicago in America is in -6 time zone. So I am going to explain you time during the time lesson this thing deeply. Then Chicago. If I write, that is -6 time zone. Sri Lanka is situated here, right? Sri Lanka is situated 5.5 time zone. Then this is Greenwich time, right? We can write Greenwich. Sri Lanka is here, sorry, here Greenwich time. Sri Lanka is this time zone, 5.5 time zone. When the time in Sri Lanka is 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Right? Then 10 a.m. Greenwich time is, normally we are taking 4:30. Greenwich time is 4:30. Then this is -6 is there. So this time is how much? If this is 4:30 and here previous day, we have to take the Chicago time, then we have to add, right? Then we can add this 10, 4.5 and this 5.5 all together. 10:30. It means we have to add Sri Lanka 10 a.m. Then we have to add, then we are getting 22:30 previous day. Previous day. From a point or a coconut tree can be seen at the distance 10 meters. The location of coconut tree is 50 degrees to east from the north. So we can draw the sketch like this. North direction. Then coconut tree can be, this is the point O. Coconut tree can be seen the distance of 10 meters. The location of coconut tree is 50 to the east from north. It means this angle. That from here, it is 10 meters away. 10 meters, yeah? Oh, 10 meters. Coconut tree. Right? Towards the east direction. So this is the location of the coconut tree. We have to draw the sketch like this. Next question. Using the set of data 27, 36, 43, 43, 48, 50, 72. Find the mode. Then even when we were in grade 7 also we learned mode is mean the most number of time representing number is the mode. So 43 is the most number of time representing. So 43, the medium of these data. If you arrange these data in ascending order, so smallest to the largest, 27, 36, 43, 43, 48, 50, 72. Cancel from here to here. 43 ne? Right, then we can write here 43. Next question. What is the solid that can be formed using the given net? This is a regular tetrahedron, right? Regular. Next one. What type of tessellation is illustrated here? Look at here, this is a combination of squares, triangles and all. So this type of things, this is not the total PO. If it is arranged in the same type of like even triangles, if let's image as an example, let's take this one. This tessellation, if you concern, this consists of only triangles. Then this type of ones we can say pure tessellation. Only one type of shapes here. But here two types are there. So we can say this is a semi-pure tessellation. Semi-pure tessellation. Right. Let's go to the next one. Reconnect, part 2. Right, part 2. Reconnect the memories of the instrument you made to find the locations of a place. What is the directions you mark at the end of a diameter drawn? The circle you can cut from a Bristol board. So you can start to mark north, right? North direction. What is the directions you marked at the end of the diameter? Drawn on the circle you cut from the Bristol board. The first, it means we are marking the north direction. Two other items that you selected when making this instrument. We need a protector. We need a protector. And compass. We need the protector, compass, and the what is? Yeah, protector and compass only. How can you show the northeast direction by using this one? So we can represent according to the bearings, we can represent northeast direction. No? So northeast is here, right? That is 45, which means this whole thing 90, then this is 45. In between north and east. So in 45 middle east. In 45 at the middle east. Right? Don't worry, I am going to do this part, right? Then which direction shown by N45 west? We'll see N45 west. It's mean now this is the west direction. Can you see N45 west is mean? It's mean this is the west, then 45 direction to this. So this one, right? So that is northwest. We can read it as northwest. So I will write the answer here, northwest. Because second part questions, we have a small problem, they are long questions. So then when we have to use the 2 slides, right? Draw a rough sketch to show the locations of point B, which is 30 meters from O in the direction N60E. So we can arrange like this. So I will draw the rough sketch here for the 5th one. Asking us to draw the rough sketch. So this is the north direction and how much here? Location of point B. How much here? 60. 60 and 30 meter here away. Then they are saying north 60 to east. This is east. This way you can represent, right? Then express the direction R from O. How can we express R from O? So we can write N, first we can write N. N 20 west. Right, that is the answer for the sixth one. Huh? From the north direction, 20 degrees towards the west direction. So that's what we can write like this. What is mean by the scale 1 to 50,000 in a map? It's mean, map is mean we have to draw it in our piece of paper or in our book, right? So like 1 meter, 50,000 centimeters, we can't draw in our writing book, right? So when we are representing in the map, sometimes 1 centimeter we can represent by 50. Sorry, from 1 centimeter we are representing 50,000 centimeter. That is the meaning of this when we are drawing a scale diagram. 50,000 centimeters in our book, when we are drawing, we are representing by using 1 centimeter. Then as an example, if you have to draw 100,000 centimeters, it means 50,000, there are two 50,000s there. Then you have to use represent it by using 3 centimeters. This way, right? That is the meaning of this. It means you can write equals, I use the yellow color to write here. It means 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. 500 centimeters mean we can convert this to meters first. That is too big. Then divide by 100 to convert it to meters. Now it is 500 meters. We can write it in kilometers. Then half kilometers, right? You can divide, when you are converting meters to kilometers, you have to divide it by 1,000. So half kilometer. Then half kilometers in our book, we are representing by using 1 centimeter, right? In a map drawn to scale 1 to 50,000 by how many centimeters? Straight rod of length 4 kilometer is represented. 4 kilometer is there, right? Then half kilometer in the map representing by using 1 centimeter. Then 4 kilometer, how can we represent in then? If 1 is representing by half, 4 we have to represent 4 times 2. That is 8 kilometers. Sorry, 8 centimeters, because we have to multiply 4 by 2, because half kilometer represent 1 kilometer, then 2 centimeter, right? Then 4 kilometers, 4 times 2, 8 centimeters we have to draw in the book, right? Our next question is related to directed numbers. Right, here, minus 8, I just do it here, minus 8 minus plus 3 plus, no, equal here, plus 3 equals minus 8 plus, box here, easy to write the answer here now. So what we have learned, according to the rules of the directed numbers, when you are subtracting directed numbers, you can change this sign to opposite. It means if this is negative, you can write it as positive and write the additive inverse of this number included here. Additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. Now you can see when the same signs are there, when we are adding, you have to add, but the sign is the same. Minus 8 and minus 3, that is 11. The same sign contained in both is minus. Minus 11 is the answer here. Then you can complete like this, right? Then we can write here, this is changed to minus 3. And this is minus 11. Here, this one minus 10, minus 2. To get the minus 10 here should be minus 5. Look at 2 times minus 5, minus 10. Right? Then here definitely minus 2. Then minus 10 divided by minus 2, answer is plus 5. Next question. Third part of this one, fractions. 2 and 2/5 plus 1 and 1/3. 5 times 2, 10 and 2, 12 over 5 plus 3 and 1, 4 over 3. So you can take the we can take the common denominator of this 5 and 3. If not, there is an easy way to do like this. 12 times 3, 36 plus 5 times 4, 20 divided by 5 times 3, 15. 36 and 20, 56 over 15. 56 divided by 15, 45. There are 3. And 11 over 15. This way also can do. If you don't like this method, 2 and 2/5 plus 1 and 1/3. This way also, whole numerical part that 1 and 2, 3, 2 over 5 plus 1/3. Here also 3 plus, this is by 5, this is by 5, this is by 3, this is by 3. 6 over 15 plus 5 over 15, 3 plus 11 over 15, 3 and 11 over 15. This is the answer. 3 and 11 over 15. Right, we'll do the next question, question part 4. Fourth one. What is the reciprocal? 2/3, upside down change, no? 3 over 2. Then meter, 1 3/4 meter of cloth is needed to stitch a dress. What is the maximum number of such dresses can be stitched using 3.5 meter cloth? Right. Then it's mean 1 3/4 meter for one cloth. It's mean 3.5 meter. Have to divide by 1 3/4 meter. First converted to improper 2 times 3, 6 and 1, 7 over 2. Divide by 4 times 1, 4 and 3, 7 over 4. Reciprocal 7 over 2 into 4 over 7. Cancel out here. Answer is 2. 2 cloth we can stitch by using 3.5 meter cloth. Sixth part of this, express 25% as a ratio. 25 over 100. It's mean, right? As a ratio, 25 to 100. This is we can keep it, we can simplify and keep. So how many 25s? 1, how many 25s? 4. Answer is 1 to 4. Answer is 1 to 4. Next question. Find the value of x using the details given in the diagram. So can you see this is supplementary? This is a straight line. So 3x plus x equals 4x, right? The whole thing, you know the supplementary angles add up to 180. So we can write here, supplementaries means straight line. So 180 angles at a straight line. 4x equals 180. This side by 4, this side by 4. X equals how many 4's here? 45. Right? 45. X is 45. Second part of this. Second part is here. What is the name given to angle A and B? Can you remember we have done a seminar for the angles? No, we have learned vertically opposite angles, right? This angle and this angle equals, but they are asking what is the name of this angle? Then we can write vertically opposite angles. Right? Not only the question, this is the answer for this. I just remind you, when we are learning the angle lessons, we have learned when the transversal cut the two parallel lines. We have learned this Z letter form in angles, alternate, angles equal, then vertically opposite angles equals, right? We have learned, right? Vertically opposite. This angle and this angle, vertically opposite. This angle and this angle. This angle and this angle, this angle and this angle. They are vertically opposite. The other type we have learned, corresponding. If you draw like this, they are corresponding, right? Then 4 pairs of corresponding, right? This one and this one, like this corresponding angles are equals. And we learn allied angles. This one and this add up to 180. You can remember, right? Right. We'll go to the next part. This thing. What is the value of the supplement of angle x? That is 60, right? So mentally, you can remind it and give the answer. But no need to do so. Then if you can't, x plus 120 equals 180. Supplementary. Supplementaries mean add up to 180. X equals 180 minus 120. X equals 60. Then next question, what is the value of y? We got this one and we have to find the y. Can you remember we have learned exterior angles of triangle add up to 360. Y plus 120 plus 120 equals 360. Exterior angles of a triangle. That is y plus 240 equals 360. 360 minus 240. Y equals 0 to 120. Y is 120 here. What is mean by scalene triangle? Scalene is mean what? A triangle of which all the three sides are unequal in length is known as scalene triangle. I will erase this and I will give the answer for the fourth part of this. It means a triangle of which all three sides are unequal in length is known as scalene triangle. Next one, draw a circle and shade a sector of it. We can say it like this, even this, that sector. We have altogether 6 questions and ask us to select 5 questions and do. But I will do all the 6 questions, right? You can omit one of these when you are doing the test. But if you have done this already, you can add the marks, right? Then marks I have mentioned there. So I have taken from a model paper. Then because you have to get ready for the last test now, then I think schools, they won't conduct the term test. Some schools, they are willing to do the test. End of the term, those the school which have done the online sessions without stopping, they are going to do the test end of this year. So we are getting ready, but although other schools don't have tests, but I know I have done all the syllabus. Then it means only few lessons to complete. So end of this year, I am going to do a test for you, right? So don't get scared because we have to face the situations like this. I know that when I am conducting in our institute also, many students getting absent while I am conducting the test. But don't get scared. Even if you are getting 0 marks, it is better to participate. And understanding your mistakes and correcting mistakes. The correcting mistakes is the most important things for your life to build. Right? If you're already totally perfect, don't think like that. We are also not totally perfect, right? So don't think like that. One by one, we have to correct our mistakes and we have to go forward. We have to learn something from everything, right? Okay. Next one, fill in the blanks. 20 ton here. Then how can we write 20 into 1000? So 20,000 kilogram. This is 20,000 kilogram. 5,000 kilograms to ton. Then you have to divide this by 1,000, 5 ton. The masses of a tractor is 5 ton, 1,000 gram bags of cement, each weighing 50 kilogram were loaded into it. Find the total weight of the cement in kilograms. Right, it means total weight of the cements in kilograms, right? Then 100 bags of cement, each weighing 50 kilogram. Then 100 bags are there. One bag is 50 kilogram into 100. How much? 50,000 kilogram. Total weight is 50,000. Except that weight in tons. Right, then 50,000 you have to express in tons, then divide by 1,000. So 5 tons. What is the mass of the tractor with cement? Only the tractor, that is 5 tons. Cement weight also 5 tons. 5 tons and 5 tons all together, the weight of the tractor is 10 tons. Question number 5. Find the area of the rectangle PQRS. You already know how to find the area of a rectangle, length into breadth. So what is the breadth here? 3.5, 3.5, 7 centimeter. Length is 8 and 4, 12. Here 2 and 10 also 12. Then 12. Area of PQRS equals 7 centimeter into 12 centimeter, 1484 square centimeter. Find the area of triangle PAB. Right. You know how to find the area of a triangle. This is the PAB triangle. Right. So I will do it here. That is second part. Area of PAB triangle, half into base 8 centimeter into perpendicular height. Here to here height is 3.5. 4 times 3.5, 14 square centimeter, right? Next one. What fractions of the area of the rectangle PQRS is the area of the triangle SQR? SQ. What fractions of the area of the rectangle PQR is? S is the area of the triangle. S is here. Q is here. R is here. It's mean we have to, if they are asking us to find the SQR, right? Then SQR is there. You have to do the construction and you have to separate this thing, this triangle, it's mean. This triangle. Here to here, then we can write area of SQR equals half into 12 into base is, half into base is 12, perpendicular height 0.37. 6 times 7. 36, 6 times 6, 6 times 6, 36, 42, right? 42 square centimeter. They are asking the fraction. Then SQR is as a fraction of when the whole thing PQRS. PQRS, it's mean 42 over 84. It mean half. Half. Right. Next part is what? B part. We have to go to next slide. B. Find the total surface area of a cuboid shown. I told you short method of finding this, no? So what can you do? You can write length, breadth, height separately. 8, 4, 6 separately. Length into breadth, breadth into height, height into length, this way. That is twice total surface area. No? Then here these two sides are here. This type of two sides, and up and top. Sorry, top and down. There are two sides like this. So we can write like this. 8 into 4 total surface area equals 8 into 4 plus 4 into 6 plus 6 into 8. Right? That is twice. 2 into 8 times 4. 8 times 4, 32. 4 times 6, 24. 48. (208 square centimeter). Our last question. Letters of the word Martale. Write the element in set A. So we can write element Ma, M, and T. That's enough. Right? We can't repeat one letter twice. Keep the comma in between the letters. Write the elements in set A. We wrote it. Find NA. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the suitable symbol for the M dot A. So M is subset of A. Is it? Yes, we can write, M is an element of this thing. M is elements of A. We can write it like this. M is element of A. Next question. According to the newspaper, paddy production has gone down by 10% due to bad weather. If the paddy production has gone down by 4 ton, find the amount of paddy which was not destroyed due to the weather. It's mean total amount of paddy. From that, 10% destroyed due to the bad weather, that amount equal, gone down amount is 400 ton. Then total amount of paddy equals 400 ton into 100 over 10. 4,000 ton. Amount not destroyed. Total is 4,000 ton. Amount of paddy not. Total production is 4,000 ton. Then destroyed amount is 400 ton. And then subtract 400 ton. 3,600 ton is not destroyed amount of paddy. Then this is all about our sessions. today really I couldn't send you the Google Form paper. Definitely Monday I will supposed to send the Google Form paper related to this session. So keep on touch. And the other thing, you can continue. I just support to do few, even minimum 5 model papers for you before the test. And I supposed to do a whole coverage of the last year sessions, right? Maximally as much as possible I have done for you online. There are different mistakes of this because signal errors are there, power cuts and all. So that's why I am providing the recording after my every sessions. So I think you are repeating the sessions and you are continuing your works properly. Then I will finish the session. Okay then, bye everyone.